what you have to do first chapter. Okay, let me tell you first what you have to do. As we complete this chapter, okay, we will revise. Okay, I'll take oral test in class. Okay, for the first chapter. Next week, first chapter will take. I will take oral test. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So on Thursday, oral test. On Friday as well, we'll have oral test. Okay. As well, if you have any doubt, you can ask on Thursday and Fridays. Okay. While you study.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you again tell what are you telling now, sir?
Okay.
Sir, suddenly my class is sir written
Okay.
call.
Okay. Hmm. On Thursday and Friday. Okay. On Thursday and Friday, we'll have oral test. Okay. On Thursday and Friday, we'll have oral test of first chapter.
Sir,
Okay.
next Thursday and Friday.
Yes, this Thursday and Friday. Next week we are having Thursday and Friday on that day. Okay. Next week, Thursday and Friday, we'll
Sir,
have oral
only
test.
outside. So only outside. Yeah. But also
You have
inside.
to see here its whole week. So revise the whole chapter from inside, outside, anything I can ask. Okay. And we'll discuss along with that. Okay. We'll as well discuss. So prepare well. Okay. So each day, let study a little. Okay. Inside, outside, anything can be asked. Okay.
Sir, chapter 1.
Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Okay. Since we have already completed our first term syllabus, so 1 or 2 weeks, little bit will now we'll continue little bit revision, little bit oral test. Along with we'll start the third chapter. Okay, little bit only we'll start. Okay, so we'll revise and we'll prepare in class most of the chapters. So chapter first, Thursday and Friday we'll have oral test. If we are not able to cover, we'll have on Saturday as well oral test. Okay.
Okay,
This is
sir.
clear to all? Okay. So let's start. So today we'll be discussing numerical problems. Okay. So by tomorrow we'll complete this chapter. We'll go little bit slow and we'll do every question in class. Okay. So numerical problems today we'll be discussing. Okay.
So we have to do
So
numerical notebook.
yes, they are must. Okay. Numericals are must. See here, when you solve the numericals, you understand the concept. Okay. So always solve the numericals. Okay. To understand this theory, it's must we must do the numericals, because see here, whatever theory we have studied, we are going to apply that in numericals. Okay, in numericals different cases will be given, like density is this much, mass is this much, now calculate the volume. That means we are going to apply whatever theory we have studied. So numericals are must. In every chapter you must do the numericals. Okay, and most you must pay attention to the numericals. Okay, and steps must be there in numericals. Okay, so for few questions, I'll provide the steps. Then you can follow that in every numerical. Okay. So we'll be discussing first numerical. Everyone read the numerical first properly. Everyone first read the numerical properly. Okay. First one, 80 centimeter cube of iron weighs 624 gram. So first statement, what all information are provided? 80 centimeter cube of iron. It means what is being provided? Volume is provided to us. So we write volume. You can write V, or you can write in more statement value of volume of iron. V equal to how much it is? 80 centimeter cube. 80 centimeter cube. Okay. Weighs 624 grams. How much it weighs? 624 grams. Okay. So what is being provided to us? Mass of iron is given. It is M. M equal to how much? It is 624 grams. Okay. Now see what we have to calculate. Calculate the density of the ion. Okay. So density, first write the formula. Okay. Density equal to
Mass upon volume.
mass upon volume. Okay. If you want, you can write in bracket as well, m upon v. Or if you don't want, you don't write it. Okay. These are not, these you want to write, you can write, or okay, like this you can write. So density is nothing but mass upon volume. Put the things here. So this is our D. So D equal to how much? How much is mass? Now see here, before calculation, you have to check something. That is fine. You have to check something. Check the units. They must be in the same system. That is, if you are using CGS system, these units must be in CGS system. Okay. It is in centimeter cube. It is in gram. Okay. We don't have to change them. Okay. So we can simply put 624 gram divided by 80 centimeter cube. Okay. Divide and find it out. So first it is coming how much? If we divide 39 upon 5, or divide, see here, one more thing we can do here, see here, divided by 10, divided by 8, divide by 8 first, how much it will be coming? Divide everyone. How much it is coming? 78? Yes or no?
78.
78, okay. It is 78 gram divided by 10 centimeter cube. See here, now we can put simple decimal place. Yes or no? Or else how you have done, you have divided and you would have got 39 upon 5. Okay. Now again divide and convert in decimal, this much you will be getting. Okay. Or simply, since we know it is not going to be completely divided. Okay. So 10 we have kept as such, from 8 we have divided. Since 8 it is full go, it is going completely. It is the multiple of 8, so we can divide it. Divide by 10, simply we have to put the decimal, or else we have to again divide by 5. Is this clear? First question clear to everyone? First question clear to everyone?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we can skip the question and write answers only.
Yes, you can skip question, and I will recommend to skip the questions. Okay, you can write the answers only. Okay, so whenever you want to study, keep your book aside and your notebook. So see the question and then see the answer. Okay, there is no need of writing the questions. Okay, if you want to write, you can write the questions, no issue. If you don't want to write, don't write the questions. Okay, just write the answer. Okay, but numbering should be correct. When you are solving, right, H you are doing, put the heading H, numerical questions, then 1. Okay. Second, like this. Okay. No need of writing questions. Okay. You can skip the questions. Okay. So first, numerical is clear. Okay. Now you have 1 minute. Read the question second properly yourself and try to understand and try to figure out how you are able to do, how you are going to do. Okay. So read the question properly second. What all are given, write them and try to solve. Okay.
Sir, this is first answer.
This is first answer. Yes or no? Read the second one. What all information is provided, write that in this form, then accordingly use the formula and solve. So second one, a stone piece weighs 225 gram. Okay. So mass of the stone piece is given. Write that. So steps must be there in each numerical. Okay. So see here, what is the benefit of writing steps? First of all, if you are writing steps, there will be very less chance of making mistakes. Okay, your mistakes will be very less. Second, if you even make mistakes somewhere, at least you have done something that can provide you marks. Okay. So most important is you will understand the question well. You'll be able to do it properly. That is the most important aim of our. Okay. Aim of us. Okay, a stone piece weighs 225 gram. Okay, you can switch off your video so that it will be available in full screen. Okay, a stone piece weighs 224 grams, 225 grams. So first you have to write mass of stone piece is how much? M 225 gram. Okay. First information we return. Okay. Second, by displacement method, its volume was found to be 75 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of stone piece? Displacement method we all remember. Measuring cylinder we have talked. We have poured some water and then we have what we have done. Stone, we have taken this stone, tied to a string and then entered into the water. We have submerged it inside the, completely inside the water. Whatever level in water rose, that change in the water level, that will be the volume of the stone. Okay. So volume of stone piece
75 centimeter cube.
75 centimeter cube. Okay, check the units. Are they in the same system? Same unit system? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now calculate the density of the stone piece. Write the formula density equal to mass upon volume. Okay,
On
write it
volume.
completely density. Mass upon volume. Okay. Calculate the density. 225 divided by 75. It is gram. It is
By
centimeter.
3.
You can see you are getting the unit here, gram per centimeter cube. Okay. So it is coming, how much is divisible? 3 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. You can see here. If you are taking 1 centimeter cube of the stone, it will weigh how much? 3 grams. Its mass is 3 grams. If you are taking unit cube of centimeter, unit cube of stone, it will be mass, its mass will be 3 grams. This is clear? Everyone have understood?
Yes,
Do the
sir.
third one. Okay. Third one, do it yourself. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay. Write all the data what is being provided. The density of copper is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Find its value in kg per meter cube. So first you have to write the relation. Then you can solve. So density of copper is how much?
8.9 gram per centimeter.
Density is how much? 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. And we need this density in terms of kg per meter cube. Okay. How they are related? 1 gram per centimeter cube. How much? 1000 kg per
meter.
Okay. See here, this is unitary method we used to use. Like 5 toffees cost 10 rupees. 1 toffee will cost how many? Okay. Unitary method you all remember. 1 toff, like 5, it is given 5 toffee costs rupees 10. And you have to calculate how many 12 toffees will cost. So 5 toffees cost 10 rupees. 1 toffee will cost how much? Rupees 2. 12 toffees will cost how much? 2 into 12, that is 24 rupees. This is called unitary method. We can use that one here. So in 1 gram, 1000 kg per meter. Okay. Now 8.9 gram per centimeter cube will be how much?
8,900 kg per meter.
9 into 1000 kg per meter cube. It is how much? 8900. One decimal place, 10 will be cancelled and 2 zeros will put after 89. It is how much? Kg per meter cube. At last you have to write density of copper in kg per meter cube equal to 8900 kg per meter cube. Okay. Okay. Read the next one. Everyone read the next one. Okay. Next one, a cuboidal object of side 15 centimeter. Okay. Weighs 1.35 kg. Calculate its density in kg per meter cube. So this time we have a cube is there and whose side is 15 centimeter.
First,
Okay.
we will have to change centimeter into meter.
Okay, so see here, it is given in kg and we have to calculate density. Okay, see here how the question is given. We are given one cube, okay, and its side is how much? 15 centimeter. Okay, and now we have to and its fourth question. Mass is given. How much mass is given? 1.35 kg.
1.35 kg.
And we have to calculate its density in kg per meter cube. Yes. So how we are going to calculate? Density is what? Mass upon volume. This is the density, mass upon volume. We already have the mass. We are having the mass. Okay. We already have the mass and volume we don't have. We have to calculate the volume. We have to calculate the volume. Okay, how to calculate the volume? Side is given. Okay, and since we are required density in kg per meter cube, we'll convert this side into meter. It will be how much? 0.15 meter. Okay, now calculate the volume. What is the volume of a cube?
Sir,
What is the
0.5 meter into
okay, okay. I'm asking,
0.15
okay, it is
into 0.15
side
meter.
cube.
Side into side.
It is side cube. It's a cube of the side. First, we calculate the area of the cube, that is base, multiply with the height, will give us the cube's volume. Yes or no? For example, consider this as a cube. Okay. Okay, this is not a cube, but still let's consider. Okay. So first we multiply this base sides. Side into side will give us the area. Now this area is multiplied how many times? H times. That will give us the total volume. Understood? So side cube, it is 0.15 into 0.15 into 0.15. Okay. Leave this as such. Okay. Don't multiply them since we are going to divide. So they may get cancelled. Some we can cancel them. So don't multiply them, or else it will be huge number to divide. Yes or no? Now density is what? 1.35 divided by 0.15 into 0.15 into 0.15. This is the density. And kg per meter cube we want to put it. We can put here. This is the density. Now first we will try to remove the decimals. That is more easy to solve. Okay. So see here, these two decimal place after it is 1, 2. We can remove it with 1. This is fine. Others, how it will be 15 upon 100. Can we write it like this? 135 into 100 into 100 divided by 15 into 15 into 15. Can we write it like this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just give me 1 minute. Ink itself. I filled a little bit much ink, so it is spilled. Okay. Okay, so we can write it like this. Okay, now solve them. First one.
15 and 135 can be cut.
So it is how much? 15?
9.
9.
15? 9, yeah. Okay. Rest?
9 and 15 we can also get.
5? 5. Yes. And 5, 5, it will be 4.
100.
So you are getting how much? 400 kg per meter cube. See here, it is more easier to cancel, or else what you have done? You have multiplied, it will be a big number, then it will be a little bit difficult. So whenever if you are going to divide, don't multiply in early step. Leave them as such. because since we are at last we are going to divide, so leave them as such. Okay. Okay, read the next question. Read the next. Read the next one.
What will be the mass of a metal sphere of radius 3.0 centimeter if its density
Okay.
density is 7 gram centimeter cube?
Okay. Okay. Everyone read it quietly. That I meant. Okay. What will be the mass of a metal sphere? So we are having one metal sphere, a metal in the shape of a sphere. Okay. Or a sphere made up of metal. Okay. Now its radius is given 3 centimeter. Okay. And its density is being required. We have to calculate the mass. Okay. So how you are going to? Yes, everyone try to do in your notebook. This question is clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fifth one, what will be the mass of a metal sphere?
Into
Okay.
volume equal to mass.
So since, see here, we know density equal to mass upon volume. This mass we have to calculate. Density is given and volume is also not given, but radius of the sphere is given. So by using the radius of the sphere, we can calculate the volume of the sphere. So we'll have volume. Now mass is to be calculated, so volume we can take on left hand side and it will be density into volume and we can calculate the mass. Okay. So first we have to write in notebook whatever being provided. So write all the things that is being provided to you. Fifth one, what will the mass of the metal sphere of radius 3 centimeter? So radius of the sphere equal to how much?
3.0 centimeter.
3 point, okay. Radius fifth question. 3 centimeter. 3.0 means, okay, it is 3 only. 3.0 centimeters. 0.0 means it is more accurate than 3 centimeters. That's only. Okay. And now its density is given. Density
7
of
gram.
7 gram.
7 gram per centimeter.
1 minute. 7 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. This is the density. Okay.
0.0 centimeter into 3.0 centimeter into 3.0 centimeter.
No. That is the formula for cube. What is given? Radius of the sphere. What is sphere? You have seen the ball? You have seen the ball? The
Yes,
ball
sir.
is a sphere. Even we used to say Earth is a spherical shape. Okay.
4 upon 3 pi r square.
Okay. 4 upon 3 pi r
Square.
square or cube? Four upon. Okay, okay, we'll check formula as well. Okay, just pay attention here. Okay, this is the one, or we have to calculate what? Mass we have to calculate. Okay, so density is given, mass we have to calculate. So first we have to calculate volume of the sphere. Volume of sphere we have to calculate. Okay, okay. So formula, few students are saying 4/3 pi r square. Few are saying 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Okay. For example, we got confused in exam. Okay. Just pay attention here. Just pay attention here. Mute yourself. Okay. For example, we got confused in exam whether it's square or cube. Okay. What is the unit of volume? It's cube, centimeter cube, meter cube. That's the unit.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So here R is there. It is 3 centimeter. Then again centimeter. What unit we are getting? Centimeter square only. Here pi is unitless. These are unitless. R centimeter, 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 centimeter cube. It means you can check the formula like that. This is wrong. This is the formula for volume. 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Now see here. Okay. 4 by 3. Pi is how much? 22 upon 7.
22.7.
It is 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. It is in centimeter. Here's the centimeter cube. So we don't require to change it in meter. Yes. Okay. So 3 get cancelled. Okay. Now don't multiply. Leave it as such. 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3. Okay. This is fine. Volume of the sphere. More you want to write, you can write like this. Okay. Now we have studied density equal to mass upon volume. Mass equal to density into volume. Okay, space is not there. I'm putting the line here and solving here. Density, mass is density into volume. Put them. Mass equal to density is how much? 7. Okay, into this unit. Forget for time being. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now see a unit also you can see it is gram per centimeter into centimeter cube. So centimeter cube get cancelled. Gram per centimeter cube into centimeter cube. Density. So centimeter cube can cancel, only gram is remaining. You can see. Okay. Now you can cancel.
So 7 and 7.
7 and 7 get cancelled. Now multiply them. How much you are getting? Everyone multiply them and check. $792 are you getting? Okay, it is how much? 22 4 ja 88. 88 into 9. 88 minus 88. 2 times 7. 792 you will get.
So 792.
792. What will be the unit? What is
Gram.
remaining? Gram. At last you have to write. Okay. Mass of the metal sphere equal to 792 gram. Okay. That you will write. Mass of the sphere equal to 792 gram. Is this question clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do the next one. Next one. Calculate the volume of an object of mass. 1 minute is there. Calculate the volume of an object of mass 280 kg. Of mass 280 kg. Okay. If the density of the wood is 800 kg per meter cube. Okay, calculate this one. Everyone calculate this one. This time we have to calculate volume. Mass is given, density is given. So first you have to check the units, whether the units are in the same unit system or not. Okay. Okay. So this one, calculate the volume of an object of mass. So mass of an object, mass is how much?
So time over.
Okay, 1 minute only I will
280
take.
kg.
Let's complete this one. Okay. 280 kg. Okay. And density equal to
800 kg per meter cube.
800 kg per meter cube. Okay, first check the unit system. Kg and kg per meter cube. Okay, they are in the same unit system. So no need of conversion. Okay, conversion and we can proceed. Okay. Okay, next step, we have to calculate the volume. Okay, density is what? Mass upon volume. And volume will be mass upon density. Volume equal to 200, okay, 80 kg divided by 800 kg per meter cube. Kg get cancelled, meter cube will come in numerator. Okay, calculate this one. Leave it 1028, you divide by 8. How much you'll be getting? So 4 you can divide. 7 upon.
Sir, 19 upon 40. 19 upon 40.
7 upon 20. 7 upon 20 you will get. Not 19. 28 upon 80 it is. 7 upon 20 divided by 2, 3.5 divided by 10.35. It is divided by 10, okay? Or you can simply divide it by 3.5, 10 is there, one decimal place, meter cube. Okay? Seventh one, try to do as homework, okay? We'll start discussing tomorrow, 7th onwards, okay?
Sir, which part is homework?
Seventh question only.
Seventh one.
Seventh numerical, okay? Seventh numerical is homework, okay?
Thank you,
So,
sir.
thank you all.
Thank
And
you,
do
sir.
attend all the classes, okay? It's very important. Don't miss any class. Or what will happen? Sometimes it happens, student says, I'll miss only one class, but one, keep on adding, and there will be many classes you got missed. So always attend all the classes, okay?
Okay, sir.
Attend